Welcome back to another YouTube video. Bro, look at my dad. He's trying to take down this big tree stump, but like, he can't. Cause he's, what are you guys doing? Look at him over there. Look at that. Look at him. So, yeah, he's over there trying to knock the tree stump down, I'm pretty sure. So, yeah. I'll set you guys up. Here's Taggart.
Like a guy.
Hey, don't. So I'm gonna put my iPad right here. Can you guys still see him? There we go. So you guys can probably see him in the top left corner over there. Okay, he's gonna do the jiggly thing. He's trying to knock it. Y'all, look at him. He's crazy. He's trying to knock it down.
What?
My baby brother like, what? He's like, what? But I guess what he's doing. He's trying to do the floppy thing. Yeah, he's trying to chop down this big tree stump. By the way. Oh, look at my baby brother. Be a cute doggy. What? Stop it. You can't see it. You're not playing with it either.
I'm gonna get one hole.
Taggart. Oh, look at him. Here, we have a better angle over here. See, he's literally like hurting himself. Like, look at him. See, look at him. He's crazy. He's boinging. got it. He got it. He's gonna get it.
Lisa, he got it.
Yeah, look at it. Lisa, look at it. Yay! Now he's gonna grab it. Hum chomp 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 chomp. Hum chomp 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 chomp. Hum chomp chomp chomp. Hum chomp chomp chomp. That'll be all for today, you guys. Like and subscribe.